Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, is brought to you by Magic Creeper, the most versatile creeper ever. Steel Rubber Products, quality crafted rubber parts and weather stripping. POR Products, high performance rust preventative coating. And by Class P's Fabrication, modern beds for modern trucks.
Let's face it, Motorheads, changing your oil can be super messy. It can be frustrating sometimes if things go wrong. It can be time-consuming for sure. Well, guess what? There is a better way to avoid all that oil running all over the place onto your clothes, onto your driveway. It's from ValvoMax, and it's called the Quick Twist Drain Valve. Check this out. Now, this is a patented product, and it enables you to change your oil in about 10 minutes or so with just the turn of a hand. Now, it eliminates the need for a bunch of tools, saves time, and there's no more hassle. The valve's easy to use and anybody can do it, even me. The drain valve permanently replaces the existing drain bolt in your oil pan. So you take out your existing bolt and you put this up into it. Different sizes for different vehicles out there. You only have to install it once and you get easier oil changes for the life of your vehicle. Now the drain valve fits virtually every make and model out there. It's 100% stainless steel and it's sure to outlast any vehicle itself. It comes equipped with a steel cap and an embedded rubber seal for added protection, so it keeps everything out of there, keeps your threads clean, and keeps this thing sealed. Now it's got a proprietary wave spring valve. It's a check valve in there. So there's a tip member here on the tubing, and it won't drain any oil until you screw this on there. Then the oil comes running out into the tube. Now you can use the tube by itself and drain it into any oil pan or any oil container you might have, but there's also a valve here that goes onto the oil drain bags that you can get from ValvoMax. Now these drain bags, as you can see here, fold down flat. So if you're talking storage, maybe you live in an apartment or something like that, you don't have room for a lot of oil change stuff, just for a few bucks you get one of these disposable bags. Once you connect this to the drain on your oil pan, oil goes into here, this seals. Take it away to the auto parts store, they'll dispose of it and take care of the mess for you. Get ValvoMax. Quit searching for tools. Quit mopping up messes on the garage floor. Upgrade to ValvoMax. Their system will give you the best oil change ever. It's got a lifetime warranty. It is made in the USA, and again, it is veteran owned. You can find it at valvomax.com. You can go to Tribotex.com and see all their scientific research and animations. It'll show you how Tribotex works. But if you're still skeptical, just crack open the engine here, Pasha, and you can see on these main bearings that Tribotex is working. How can you tell?
If you look at the engine, very often you cannot tell which oil was used before. But when you use Tribotex, you see film, ceramic coating, deposited as the gray layer of a coating that coats worn out parts. On the rod and main bearings, it's very broad area and intense one, but on the cap bearings that does not have inserts and just plain aluminum, they designed to worn out during the lifetime. So once they start to wear out, valve trains start to make noise, and there is no way to replace it or upgrade it. If you rebuild the engine, you still put those old cap bearings in. So the Tribotex put the layer here where material is worn and replaces it. And another question people ask us, what does it do in the piston cylinder group? Does it coat cross-hatching or something? We did specific tests just to make sure that we not violate manufacturer specification on cross-hatching. And we applied coating to cylinder and ring group and analyzed the surface. So cross-hatching still remains there and remains intact. And the layer goes on top of the asperities and form this thermal barrier that retains heat inside of the cylinder to push your pistons with more force. That's why it is unique application and unique technology that does not much with your oil, but become part of your engine. So after Tribotex, you can wear our coating, not your engine.
And Tribotex makes your engine run better. It also makes it last longer. It actually repairs the parts of your engine. Check out how it works at Tribotex.com. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Motorhead Garage presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. Let's say we do it again next week. Same time, same sandbox. And if you have a product you want to see featured on the show, email Jeff at masterstv.com. We'll get you here in our Masters Entertainment Group studios. From our entire crew here at the studio, so long. We'll see you next time.